Hey everyone. So, I want to share something with you that's been on my mind lately, and honestly, it's pretty exciting. A few months ago, I was walking down a street in Miami when I saw something that stopped me in my tracks. It was a little robot that was rolling down the sidewalk carrying someone's lunch. It was a Serve Robotics delivery bot just casually doing its thing. Then back in Seattle, I was sitting at a hot pot restaurant and a robot glides up to my table to serve me food. Fast forward to my trip to California, I got the opportunity to sit in the back of a Waymo car and there was no driver. The car was navigating traffic, making turns, stopping at lights, all on its own. And if you've ever ordered something from Amazon, chances are a robot helped pick, pack, and even move your package through one of the warehouses, which I have witnessed it do all by itself. So, for completely different robots, for completely different use cases, but they all pointed to the same thing. We are on the edge of something massive. Now, if you've been paying attention to what the tech leaders are saying, you've probably heard this that AI went through its inflection point about 3 years ago. ChatGPT launched, and suddenly everyone was talking about artificial intelligence. But here's what Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, said recently, which piqued my attention. He said, I believe that the next wave of AI will be physical AI, robots that understand and interact with the world. And even Elon Musk has been quite vocal about it and very direct. He said that the robot industry will be bigger than the car industry, and in fact much bigger than the smartphone industry. We'll have robots everywhere, and it could be as soon as 2030. That inflection point everybody has been predicting for robotics, I feel that's not coming. It's here already, at least on this side of the world in US, is what I'm noticing. So naturally, I as a product manager wanted to learn more about robotics, not as a robotics engineer, not as a researcher. I just wanted to understand what's happening in this space, what are the technologies that are powering these robots, who's building them, what do all these terms even like mean in robotics. And here's what I found. There's almost nothing out there for people like us. Everything I found was either too technical, full of equations, research papers, or too much at the surface level, like a news article that barely scratches the surface. There was nothing in the middle, so no place for someone in business or in product or program management or even a regular person who wants to just really understand robotics without needing a PhD could do. So I decided to do something about it. I am going to learn about robotics from the ground up, and I'm going to document that journey. I'm going to read the research, talk to people who know this stuff, watch the demos, the videos, follow the companies, and then filter it all down into something that makes sense for people like you and me. This is going to be a series that I'm thinking of calling Robotics for Everyone or something like that. Still workshopping the name. And here's what I'm thinking we'll cover: the key terms and terminologies you need to know, a high level view of the technology powering modern robots, the companies and the startups building the future, different types of robots and what problems they are solving, and honestly, whatever else I find interesting along the way, I would love to share it with all of you. Now, a fair warning, these aren't going to be any fancy Hollywood production videos. No crazy graphics or special effects, just me sharing what I'm learning in the clearest, most useful way I can so that you can learn from it. So, yeah, if you are a product manager or a program manager, a business leader, or someone who's just curious about what technology is and where is this all headed, I think this series is going to be for you. So think of it as your quick learning playground for robotics, a place where you can get up to speed without feeling overwhelmed or just lost in jargons. So I'll keep adding videos as I keep learning. Some might be about specific robots, others might just dive into the tech. Um, we would also love to look at what the market trends are or talk about what this means for different industries. So, yeah, so if this sounds interesting to you, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification, and let's learn about the future of robotics together. Because whether we are ready or not, the robots are coming, and I think it's time we understood what that really means. So, see you in the next video.